Hello again. I'm just going down the road and I see, I saw a road that had an interesting name. And look what's on it. Got this beautiful old furnace. Want to take a peek? Oh my gosh. I took a chance on this road not knowing if there was anything down here. And what did I see? Oh, far out. Sorry about the bouncy. Far out. An old furnace. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. So nice. Oh, wow. They even have a plaque here. I am totally surprised. I had no idea I was going to find anything down here. Oh, look at that. Oh, that old stonework is just amazing. Beautiful. Look. Okay. Now what does this say? Franklin Blast Furnace. The structure was known as Franklin Blast, heated by hot air to melt iron ore into pig iron. I had no idea Danville was rich in iron ore. Far out. Look at that. Oh, the Danville Ironman name and colors live on. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, the light's knocked over, but that's okay. This is like a cool find. First the farmhouse, which honestly I didn't expect it to be that good, but it was great. And now this. This is just awesome. Just very awesome. I love this old stonework. Walk around a bit. See what's on this side. Oh. Okay. What is that in there? All this green and red stuff. We got... Some of these look like railroad ties. Or they would be the size of railroad ties, I should say. What is this? Red and green. What is that? Isn't that great? Isn't that beautiful? God. So cool. I'm just going to walk around. Come on. This old stonework is just amazing. And it just lasts forever. Oh, what is that over there? Another wall? Well, let's walk around and see. Ooh, this is steep. Steep. It's a nice picture. Yeah. I had a suspicion there was something down here, but I couldn't find proof of anything. Whew. I'm not going to walk down any closer. Too much of a tripping hazard. You know me with my gravity checks. But that is cool. Here's the other side of it. So this was much bigger than just the square. There's another part there. Yeah, you can see. Looks like it's collapsing a bit. I hope they preserve it. Come on down here. Ooh, steep. Steep, steep, steep. My feet are soaked. The dew this morning is so thick and heavy. My feet are soaked. It's worth it. I could always dry them in the car. I always have my spare beach towels in there. Oh, bricks. Lots of bricks. Look at that. And beer can, of course. Let's walk over here. Oh, you got little Mother Nature. Mother Nature's blankets and carpets. Yeah. All right. Very cool. That's awesome. There we are. And from this side. I love it. Love it. Yeah, it looks like the rocks are starting to fall in a little bit there. That's okay. Got the pipes, the iron supports. That was just a cool little surprise roadside find. I love finding stuff like that. It just makes my day. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace, baby.